Welcome to another G-Authentic review. Today we're looking at the MoerTifei Mudguards for the R-Line Tiguan 2019-2020. Links will be provided in the description below. And this is what comes inside the package. You can see them labeled for the right side and the left side, for the rear and the front. Instructions are included on how to install it. To jack up the vehicle, I'm going to be using the included jack and this locking nut from Dr. Rock. We'll be connecting it to the DeWalt drill. You don't want to use an impact driver for this one, you definitely want to use a drill. Put it on the lowest power setting or the lowest speed setting for the highest torque. And for the clutch, you want it on the drill setting, not the impact or hammer. So I'll just start it by hand. Get it lined up with the jack-in point. And then I'll connect it to the drill. So I'm using the 1/4 inch adapter. Quarter to 1/2 inch to connect it. And then you just want to go slowly. And use it to raise the vehicle. You don't have to go this slow, but you certainly want to start slow. Once a solid connection is made with the vehicle, you can increase the speed. And as you can see there, the wheel is off the ground. We'll stop here and then we'll place a jack stand underneath the vehicle to support the weight. Use the included tool to remove the lug protectors or the lug caps. Then we'll use a 17mm 1/2 inch socket on an impact wrench to remove all the lug bolts. Links for these tools in the description below. And the bolts just come out quite effortlessly. And then we just remove the wheel. Now once the wheel is off, it shows you these screws here. Those are the ones we're interested in to install the mud flap. We'll just do a dry fit here, and you could see that the screw holes line up perfectly. There's also one screw underneath the vehicle, so we'll use a Torx T20 in our impact driver. Using our 1/4 inch to 3/8 adapter. We'll just put them in by hand. Alright, not much tightening required. We'll just look for the one underneath here. You can see it right there. Alright, now we have it tightened down as well. And now that's what the finished product looks like, and that's our rear left mudguard installed. So from here you'll just put your wheel back on, thread it on. We'll use this Torx stick. Roughly 100 foot-pound. Connect it to our impact wrench with our 17mm socket. Links in the description. Want to put it on the high power setting. And then we just tighten each lug in a star pattern. So if you notice, the stick doesn't really move, it doesn't turn even though we're impacting. That's because it has gotten to 100 foot-pounds. Once finished, we've moved to the front of the vehicle. We've jacked up the tire and we've installed the front left. Another way you could do it is just simply to turn the wheel and then install it. For the back, you don't necessarily have to remove the wheel either. We'll use another method here, which is just to use our hand tools with a Torx T20 bit on it. We'll just remove the screw here. Bit of a tight fit. What I did was, once I loosened the screw, I just took the bit and used it to finish removing that lower screw without the ratchet handle. Alright, so remove the same two screws, and then we have the one underneath the vehicle to remove. This one is a bit of a tight squeeze. For the back ones, I would definitely recommend flatter tools or removing the wheels for more space to work. Here's that screw underneath again, right there. Use our T20. And then we'll just finish removing it by hand. And you repeat the process, and then here is our finished product. Front left and front right. That's the rear left. And that's what it looks like on the front of the vehicle. Now let's just pan all the way down to the back so you could see what it looks like around the entire vehicle. Thanks for watching.